Well, we're here today to talk about the launch of a new 3D projector from Sim2, and this is the new Lumis 3D. And it's the first consumer home theatre projector that features a system called Triple Flash that's used in commercial theatres for the presentation of 3D. The reason why this is different is because current technologies are limited to up to 120 Hz refresh, and basically this means 60 Hz per eye. With Triple Flash, what we're able to do is present each frame 3 times per eye, and this means at 72 Hz, giving us a total refresh of 144 Hz. The thing that people object about 3D is about poor motion, flickering, and in particular crosstalk. But Triple Flash enables us to eliminate the vast majority of those side effects of 3D. So you have an image that is very pleasing to the eyes. It's very comfortable to view, because certain things that are, if you like, that interfere with the enjoyment of 3D have simply gone away. At the moment, the Triple Flash is only available in commercial theatres and on the Sim2. There are no other brands of consumer products that are able to display the Triple Flash, because it has to work at very, very high frequencies. And the benefit with DLP, it has very, very fast switching times, over 500 times faster than competing technologies. And this is the benefit, the fact that we can deliver fast switching times to each eye for 3D. So this is quite unique. Well, Sim2 have chosen to use an active shutter system featuring the Expand active shutter glasses. And in actual fact, Sim2 have recently announced, along with a number of manufacturers, to join the 3 MDI active shutter glass standard to try and get this sort of universal format for active glasses, because we think it's obviously quite important that you have one pair of glasses and it will work with a variety of displays. One of the benefits or a number of benefits with the Expand system is, again, it's used in commercial theatres. The hardware that we have in the Lumis is very much based on the professional cinema industry. And the glasses are very easy on the eye. Again, I think everybody wants to get rid of the glasses, but I think the experience with these particular glasses is quite comfortable. And they really do enable us to deliver good 3D, because one of the things that's very, very important is to make sure that the information for the left eye stays to the left eye and vice versa to the right eye, and that avoids crosstalk. And this is something that we're able to achieve using the Expand glasses. But don't forget, Sim2 do have a passive system where we use dual projectors. So we have 2 projectors, one for the left eye, one for the right eye, and we use the Infotech passive system there. So we're able to offer our clients the choice of the two systems. And one of the other issues that we've overcome with the new Lumis 3D is all about brightness. Now, 3D is not particularly efficient with light. In actual fact, we probably throw away somewhere in the region of about 80–85% of the light. And this is very evident when you go to the movie theatre, is that the picture is a lot dimmer than traditional 2D presentations. So inevitably, the best rule is to start out with a brighter projector. And this is one of the things that we have with the Lumis product. It can actually throw somewhere in the region of 25 to 35 foot Lamberts onto the screen in 2D mode, whereas in commercial theatres typically you're down to about 14 foot Lamberts. So in the home we have plenty of horsepower to spare, so that when we go into 3D mode, where we still lose quite a bit of light, we retain sufficient power to add to that experience. And this is one of those things that's very, very important for 3D presentations. So all the negatives that people associate with 3D, again, the flickering, the ghosting, the motion, the picture's not very bright. We're confident with the new Lumis 3D Solo that it solves all of those solutions for the home consumer. Well, one of the drawbacks when we use 3D is not only do we lose light, but also the colour balance shifts. The primaries may move a little bit, but more importantly, it's the white point. And one of the things that's very, very critical, of course, is that of accurate grayscale and us achieving the right levels for D65 and the luminance levels of each colour. Now with Sim2, and again with the benefit of the DLP system, we are able to provide a full live colour management system for the 3D projector. And what this means is that we have two sets of memories for 2D and 3D. And this is absolutely critical, and we're one of the few companies that are able to really achieve a level of accuracy with the colour management system. And we've been able to demonstrate that the accuracy that we can achieve pixel by pixel with utmost accuracy is quite unbelievable for a consumer-based based product. So for those that are into the calibration, those that do the THX training and are ISF certified, we just give them the tools to be able to really calibrate the projector and for the 2D and the 3D experience to be the same in terms of colour balance. Well, there's obviously a lot of talk on 3D, and it's very important to say that the Lumis can handle all of the current 3D standards that are available for Blu-ray and what we call DVB, digital video broadcasting. So the most common 3D formats that people are going to experience is one, of course, with Blu-ray. Now most movies are shot at 24 frames per second, and this is where the triple flash comes in, that the projector will then double that frame rate to 48, and then we triple flash, and that gives us the 144 Hertz. There will be an option to not triple flash, then that may be ideal for gaming. There will be obviously material that comes from satellite broadcasters such as Sky. Now Sky use what's called side by side, where they basically have 2 frames embedded into the 1080 image. We're able to display that with no problem at all. And the same thing with what is called top and bottom. And this is typically from PlayStation games in 3D, like Gran Turismo. That's one of the latest games that is in 3D. The consumer will probably experience reference terms like frame packing, sequential, and rest assured that the Lumis will be able to accommodate all current formats for 3D, which is obviously very, very important. And normally the switching is reasonably seamless with very little sort of interaction with the viewer. Well, obviously we're very excited to present the Lumis 3D to AV Forums first, to give you a sneak peek as to what Sim2 will be releasing very, very soon. We'll be available in about 3 weeks' time, so for those that need information, then please contact www.sim2.co.uk for further information. And we will be doing some road shows and some exhibitions over the coming months to present it. But we're very excited about this product, to be able to deliver a level of 3D performance that realistically you can only ever get in the cinema. And forgive me for saying so, I believe that actually we can deliver something that is better in your own personal theatre. So very excited about it. 3D Lumis with triple flash is quite an amazing product.